Live at 10 starts now.
I think anybody who thinks they can satisfy more than one wife legitimately is sorely mistaken.
Tonight, this Memphis man is behind bars for having 2 wives, the first of whom turned him in when she found out about his second marriage. Good evening, I'm Ursula Madden.
And I'm Joe Birch. Action News 5's Jason Miles joins us live downtown with details of the man's alleged deceit. New at 10. Jason?
There are TV shows about men with multiple wives, but it is against the law to have more than one legal marriage, something a Memphis man either was not aware of or simply chose to ignore. A beautiful ceremony at the Memphis Botanic Garden. That's how Reverend Earl Fisher recalls a certain wedding he officiated last summer.
It was a very pleasant ceremony.
He did not realize at the time that 47-year-old groom, Boy Jones, was already married.
And I think any minister in good faith would not perform a wedding of somebody who they already knew was even possibly still married to somebody else. So clearly this was well beyond my scope of knowledge.
Jones was eventually charged with bigamy, defined in this dictionary as the crime of marrying a second time while a previous marriage is still legally in effect.
As far as I know, in all states, it's a crime to be married to 2 people at the same time.
Even in Utah?
Even in Utah.
Memphis family law attorney Miles Mason finds it difficult to believe someone would not know better, even in the midst of a divorce.
Until a divorce is final, it's not final.
According to police, Jones's first wife discovered his second marriage to a 25-year-old woman with whom he lives in this duplex more than a year after Jones asked his first wife for some, quote, time away.
I think anybody who thinks they can satisfy more than one wife legitimately is sorely mistaken.
Jones was rearrested Wednesday morning after a warrant was issued for missing a court date. And bigamy in Tennessee is only a misdemeanor. Meanwhile, at last check, Boy Jones was still behind bars here at 201 Poplar. His bond set at just $1,500, which had not yet been posted. Reporting live downtown, Jason Miles, Action News 5.